if you like the content and the effort that's been put into making of this video, then subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button and hit the bell icon in order to get all the latest updates.
Hi all, once again welcome back to my channel. Actually my voice is a little low because of the cold, so bear with me for that. Alright, so let's move on to the topic. I ordered this hair straightener. Actually this is a brush that straightens the hair. How cool it sounds. So I have not opened it yet. I'm gonna do a little unboxing of this hairbrush, and we're gonna try it and we see that how effective this brush is. So let's get started. So before we unbox this brush, let's quickly go through what's written on the box, because it's a little manual kind of thing. It is actually a little manual about the brush, so let's just quickly go through it. So it says simply brush to smooth and straighten. So you just have to brush to get a smooth and straight hair, and heat gently relaxes hair. So basically how it works is the heat, when you're brushing it, the heat gently relaxes the hair, which makes it soft and straight. So quick and easy to use, so that we will get to know once we use it. So, and it says plastic tipped bristles protect skin and surfaces. So whenever you're straightening or curling, there will be chances of you burning your ears or cheek. So it says that it has got this plastic tip bristles, which protects your skin and surfaces from getting burned. Alright, if you see here, it shows before and after images. We will try this and we will see that in reality how it actually works. This box also has the features of this brush, which says that 30-minute auto shut off. If you keep this brush plugged in, and even if you forget also, after 30 minutes it auto shuts off. It has this LCD screen which displays the temperature, and it has also have this temperature controllers like a plus minus button, which helps you in controlling the temperature. You can switch it on or switch it off with a on button. And it says that 180 centimeter swivel cord. This was all about it. We just went through a quick guide about this brush on this box. Now it's time to unbox this one, and there's one more thing that I forgot to show you, that it also shows you the warning and some technical details. It has got a 1-year guarantee. All right, let's move on to unboxing this one. Like I mentioned in my previous video of unboxing PS4, I'm not at all good at it, and the same thing I'm experiencing again. But still, I don't know why I do unboxing. Well, it was just a little unboxing, which I never thought I would face so much difficulty. But finally we are there, and here is our brush. All right, so this is the brush. It's just a little warning message here as well, which says that keep away from children. Any dangerous product should be kept away from children. Anyways, so this is how it looks. I don't know if you like that. See, if you see that the in between it has got all thick bristles and a thin bristle. And let me just check if it has got some manual or anything. Yes, it has a manual as well. So this has a quick instruction how you can use this one. So what you have to do is ensure hair is clean, dry and brushed before use. Alright, so you have to remove the tangles before you start using this brush. I thought, because it's a brush which is a straightener, so I thought that it can do both the things, removing the tangles, both the things of a comb as well as a straightener. But any which ways, you have to comb your hair to remove the tangles. So turn simply straight on and set to desired temperature, 160 degree for fine hair and 185 degrees Celsius for thicker hair. Okay, so I'm gonna do 160 hair because I have got really thin hair. Allow up to 2.5 minutes for the ceramic bristles to heat up, and then brush a small section of hair at a time with the bristles facing away from you. Even though it has got the ceramic, you still have to be very careful while you are brushing. Okay, just tell me that how many of you have actually experienced difficulties while using all these heat products? I have actually, even though I am a regular user of this one, but still I don't know why any new heat product that I get, always I am scared to use it for the first time because I don't know how it's gonna end up. Brush slowly using your free hand to help guide hair through the bristles as you brush. So this was the quick guide of how to use this brush. All right, I'm gonna read this manual when I get time, because at the moment I don't want to stretch my video by just going through this entire manual, which I'm sure that the important information we have covered. So without wasting any time, let's plug in this brush and we'll see that how effective this brush is. So I have plugged in the straightener and I switched on by pressing this power button, and it is showing the temperature going 150 degrees Celsius. So this is my first time, so let's stick to a 150 for time. Do you see that, the smoke? Okay. Yeah, okay. I know this is plugged in for the first time, so it just generated a little smoke. Now I don't see the smoke, so I think I'm good to go because it's already around 2 minutes. So let me just take a strand. Ow. Okay, so if you don't remove the tangles, then you definitely would face difficulties while straightening your hair. So ensure you remove the tangles and then straighten your hairs. Do you see the difference? I'm seriously happy with this. This is really, and it's actually very easy when compared to iron. Imagine you just combing your hair and it's making your hair so straight. What more a girl would need? Do you see the difference? And to be frank, I combed my hair like sometime back, and because it's summer and my hairs are already sweaty and wet, so I did not comb after that. I was too lazy to comb. I just thought of going with this brush, and this has really done a miracle for me, and I'm really loving this brush. I don't know how much the video is doing justice, but but like this part of the hair I have not ironed and they are so messy, and if you see this part is like so smooth, shiny and straight, and I'm really happy and I am really impressed. And it's so quick and not painful, unlike the straightening iron, because straightening iron you just have to keep ironing. Like, I don't know, I have experience, I have Philips straightener. It's actually a good company, but I have still faced difficult while straightening my hair. But this product, I'm really happy with this product, because this is not for the video or this is not sponsored. This is purely my feedback, what I have experienced. The video says it all. Everything is in front of you guys. So I'm really happy with this product. Definitely I would recommend this product over straightening iron to you guys. The remaining hairs I would straighten it offline, because I know that it's not gonna take more than 2 minutes. for me to straighten, not more than 2 minutes. I think it's gonna take 30 seconds for me to just straighten my entire hair, and I'm really happy. If you're running late for a party or any event, I would recommend you this hair brush, this brush which actually straightens the hair. Alright then, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I would definitely suggest you guys to buy this product. Buy it, use it, and let me know that what do you think about it. I'm sure that you guys gonna love this product, but I would like to know that your thoughts as well. If you have any queries, then mention in the comment section below. I would really be happy to answer them. And if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. On that note, this video comes to an end. So until we meet again, take care. Bye bye.